Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today is December 9th. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It's about 7 p.m. on the West Coast. And what is this video going to be? It is going to be the winner, or picking the winner of the GOOLOO DS200 scan tool. This thing, like I said, pretty awesome. Check codes, clear codes, bi-directional capabilities. You could reset electronic parking brake. You could do a ton of stuff with this. And if you're new to my giveaway videos, what I'm going to do is use the computer and go on a randomizer website, and I'm going to get 3 finalists. I'm going to get those three finalists and write them on these little PVC couplers and put them in here, and we'll pick a winner. But not just that. So we're getting the winner for the DeepScan DS200 GOOLOO scan tool. And if you want one of these right now, I worked out a deal with GOOLOO until the end of the month. They extended the deal for you guys because I told them the giveaways today. So an additional $20 off using my coupon code. That there'll be a link in the description to go to Amazon. Put my coupon code. If you are an Amazon Prime member, you can get this for the month of December for $29.99 right now. So the GOOLOO DeepScan 200 OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool, $29.99 on Amazon if you have Prime and you use my coupon code. That is one hell of a deal. They're trying to get the word out about this thing and let everybody know to get these and just get the word out about them. So go check it out, go buy it. These would be great Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers if you know somebody that likes to work on their own car. Next month, my favorite jump starter or jump box, the GOOLOO GP4000. This thing is going to be the next giveaway. This is what turned me on to GOOLOO. I've been using GOOLOO for years, but this jump box is by far my favorite GOOLOO product. It's like the easiest thing for me to try to sell because I absolutely love this thing. I didn't charge this one, for 7 weeks. For the first 4 weeks, we jumped 4 of the F350 6.2 liters. Then it sat in my truck for 3 more weeks, maybe 4 more weeks, and we jumped another truck, and it was still at 2 bars. This thing lasts forever. And the way it is right now, we're getting to the giveaway soon. Look at it, I got 4 bars. This has just been sitting in my truck for a month. So if you know anybody that drives a car, a first-time car driver, a kid getting a car, anybody, this is a great thing to keep in your car. There's gonna be a link in the description below to buy one of these, and I'm trying to work out a deal for you. So I'm gonna do the video for the giveaway or announce the giveaway on this, and I'm gonna try to get you a coupon code if you don't wanna wait and get those for Christmas. Now, let's get over to this giveaway. So, let me show you how we do this. You've done this with me before, I hope. We got the bucket. We get our 3 couplers. I'm gonna make it so you can see what I'm doing as well. And let's get you a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see everything that's going on. So now, oh, you can see, look at it right there. Right now, it was $59.99, 20 bucks off. I don't know, those numbers don't add up in my mind. But you can see, this is the right video. Giveaway, the ultimate car diagnostic scanner, win a GOOLOO DS200 free OBD2 scanner with electronic parking brake reset. This is my video. So we're gonna get the link to this video. We are going to copy the link, if we could do this right. And copy. We're going to go over to the randomizer, which isn't loaded. Put it right here. Let's see how many comments there even was. There really wasn't many because I didn't post too many videos this month. I've been super busy. My life is busy. It's crazy. So we're going to do anything goes. We're going to not include replies, and we are not going to allow duplicates. Let's see. So first off, let's see how many comments we got. We got 83 comments. So your chances of winning on this video are like absolutely amazing. I just noticed there's a hair on the camera. I'm hoping that's not affecting anything. I'm gonna blow it off real fast. Got it. All right, so only 83 comments on this video. Your chances of winning a GOOLOO scan tool are pretty good. So, all right, let's get the first winner. Or not winner, but the first runner-up. First runner-up, this handsome guy. Robbie, I can't even say that last name. We're just gonna say Robbie Zong. We'll do ROBBIEXIONG 3508. All right, that's the first one. Second one, we can get another runner-up. This is a dope one, actually. And I don't even know what that says. Why is there 0 hearts? Do they not heart my stuff? I don't know what that means. American made D6U. American made D6U. You got that? And I didn't show you this one, just so you can see the two that are on there so far. And now the last runner-up, X-Ray 251. X-Ray 251. I'm not going to be able to read that, but X-Ray 251. So these are the three runner-ups for the GOOLOO DeepScan DS200. And again, you don't have to pay me anything for this. When I pick the winner, you guys contact me through my email. Go on the in the description below, look for my email and shoot me an email, and I will tell you how we are going to get you situated on getting your GOOLOO DeepScan DS200 scan tool. All right, so we got the three runner-up. They're not in here yet. Put them in here. And if I go like this, I can see them. So what we're going to do, hold it up. I'm going to reach in to pick winner so I can't see. All right. Don't forget, if you want one of these, there's a link in the description below with my coupon code $29.99 for the month of December to get a DeepScan DS200 scan tool. Really good bang for your buck. And there's going to be a link in the description below for Amazon to get the GOOLOO GP4000 jump box. Like I said, my favorite jump box. Super good quality, everything in this product. I love it. You're going to love it. Get one for everybody for Christmas. Link in the description below for everything. Oh yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. I will be doing more giveaways, and I cover a ton of automotive DIY videos, and I also have emissions deregulations videos, not just giveaways. Do you have a favorite? Somebody I should pick? I'm just kidding. Let's see. All right. Am I out of frame? Okay, okay. Not looking, not looking. Who is it? Who is it? It's the easiest one to say. X-Ray 251. All right. X-Ray 251. Congratulations. You are the winner of the GOOLOO DeepScan DS200 scan tool. I will be waiting for you to send me an email. Shoot me an email on Gmail. We'll get in contact with each other, and I'll get you one of these sent out via Amazon in the next day or two. But shoot me an email. My email is in the description below. Everybody else, stay tuned. In the next day or two, I'm trying to get a hold of GOOLOO right now, see if we can work out a deal to get a coupon code for this jump box, because if anybody wants them for Christmas, the deadline's getting really close, and this is a really, really, really good jump box. I swear by these things. Everybody I know has seen me work with one of these, has went and bought one, and I've had no complaints about these things. I really, really like it. GOOLOO GP4000 jump box. Link in the description below. The GOOLOO DeepScan 200 scan tool, OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool, that is. Link in the description below. What was it? Where did it go? X-Ray 251. I already lost the thing. I put it back in here. X-Ray 251. I'll be hitting you up. Whoops. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching, spending your time on my videos. Like, subscribe, share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.